Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change Kotak Mahindra bank debit card password. First friends, we log in Kotak Mahindra 811 app. And this interface open ready. Click here. Click here settings. And here have option set reset ATM pin. Click here. And choose here 6 digit your debit card new password. And click here confirm pin. And again writing here 6 digit password. So friends, new password has been set successfully. You also can change very easily Kotak Mahindra debit card password using Kotak Mahindra 811 app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.